Class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about synchronization in mobile communications. We know that the database management in mobile computing have two components: database engine and synchronizer. Generally, a mobile DBMS facilitates insertion, modification, and retrieval of data from local database. It also synchronizes the change of record at database in remote central server. Data dissemination techniques describes how a server or distributed mobile computing system broadcasts data to mobile devices. Let us consider a PC is associated with mobile device and this computer connected to internet which download application and large file. Now consider the data at the computer is modified at some instant, then disseminated data at the server has changed at another instant. The data at mobile device is also changed at another instant. The changes are taking place at one of the three ends of different instants. There be a need to synchronize the data at three ends. Synchronization, data dissemination and replicated at remote system may occur in different ways. Data synchronization is the process of maintaining the consistency and uniformity of data instances across all consuming applications and storing devices. It ensures that the same copy or version of data is used in all devices from source to destination. It is enabled through specialized software that tracks data version as they are created and utilized. The process is implemented in distributed system where data elements are routed between several computers or system. Each computer may modify original data versions depending on requirement. Data replication may be done by copying the data from one place to another place or copying the data from one place to many other places or copying the data from many other places to many other places. So here are three cases: one place to another place, one place to many other places, and many other places to many other places. For example, music files are copied into iPods, iPhone and to several devices. The replicated data may be full copy or a partial copy. Data synchronization ensures that regardless of data modification, all changes are merged with the original data source. Data synchronization is also used in data mirroring, where each data set is exactly replicated or synchronized within another device. Mobile device to data copy sent from a system to another system, and then mobile service provider or nearby local computer or device connected to wireless or wired media downlink to mobile device. Replication from data source to device. Replication from data source to many devices. Mobile client devices, device specific platform, 0% and data format. data copy sent to many devices. Downlink, central server or data server connected through wireless or wired media. There is another diagram. Data replication among many data source and devices in peer-to-peer architecture. Peer-to-peer means there are two mobiles or two devices. Mobile computing system on device 1, mobile computing system on device 2. Their uplink and downlink is being performed in both the devices or both the system. It is system specific platform OS and data format of each system. Data sent between the systems in peer-to-peer architecture. And this is the mobile service provider which helps in providing uplink and downlink of both the mobile computing systems. Full copy replication means that the full set of data record replicates according to certain domain specific data format rule at the replicating devices or system. A server having a set of 8 images with resolution 640 into 640 pixels in the domain of a mobile device, it can replicate and hold with 160 into 160 pixel when all 8 images copies, though with different resolution. Then it is known as full copy replication. Partial copy replication, a subset of the data set copied according to certain domain specific rules at the devices or systems. Partial replication should have consistency and do discrepancy and all basic features of original data. Generally, data replication precedes data synchronization. The synchronization refers to maintaining data consistency among the data disseminated or distributed data. Data consistency means if there is data modification at the server, then the modification should reflect in the data within the device within a defined period. There are two ways of synchronization. One-to-many synchronization. We know that each system stores the data either pushed from the server or by sending the request. This type of synchronization is occurred in the client-server architecture. Here the server maintains a synchronization server. It may separate accounts of different users for that data. The synchronization server synchronizes the data and disseminates the copy to each and every client. The second type is many-to-many synchronization. Here the synchronization system have peer-to-peer architecture. In this architecture, each system is capable of pushing the data to other system as well as getting the data by sending pull request. Synchronization within mobile computing comes under the many-to-many synchronization and it is categorized into 5 areas. Synchronization in mobile computing system, usage model for synchronization in mobile computing environment, domain dependent specific rule for synchronization, conflict resolution strategies, the use of synchronizer. Data synchronization is also used in data mirroring, where each data set is exactly replicated or synchronized within another device. It ensures that regardless of data modification, all changes are merged with the original data source. Synchronization in mobile computing system. Data synchronization is defined as the process of maintaining the availability of data generated from the source and maintaining consistency between the copies pushed from source and local cached or hoarded data at different computing systems without discrepancies or conflict among the distributed data. A consistent copy of data is a copy which may not be identical to the present data record at the data generating source, but must satisfy all the required function and domain dependent specific rule. The domain specific rules are in terms of resolution, precision, data format, and time interval permitted for replication. A consistent copy should not be in conflict with the data at the data generating device source. Data generating source for synchronization may be a server, distributed mobile computing system, information and new subscriptions for the services required by the source device. Data synchronization helps mobile users in accessing data and using it for computing on mobile devices. When a device is not connected to a source or server, the user may employ data that is not in conflict within the present state of data at the source. Synchronization also helps mobile users in holding the data at the personal area computer and vice versa. Thank you for watching.